Hi, I'm Danny Sullivan, General Manager at Tech Renovations. In this roofing segment, I will cover the details of standing seam metal roofing solutions. Standing seam roofs are a type of metal roofing system that is composed of interlocking metal panels that run vertically along the roof's slope. The panels are raised or standing above the surface of the roof, hence the name. The panels are joined together by raised seams that interlock with each other, creating a watertight seal that prevents water from seeping into the buildings. The seams can be made from a variety of materials, including aluminum, steel, copper, or zinc, depending on the desired aesthetic and durability. Standing seam roofs are known for their durability, longevity, and low maintenance requirements. They are highly customizable, with a wide range of colors, finishes, and textures available to suit any architectural style. Additionally, standing seam roofs are energy efficient with reflective coatings that help to reduce heat absorption and lower cooling costs. There are several reasons why a property owner might choose to install a standing seam roof on their building. Durability and longevity. Standing seam roofs are known for their durability and longevity. They can last for up to 50 years or more, depending on the material used, and are resistant to harsh weather conditions like high winds, heavy rains, and snow. They're low maintenance. Standing seam roofs require very little maintenance. They do not require regular cleaning or painting, and the interlocking panels prevent water from seeping into the building, reducing the risk of leaks and water damage. Energy efficiency. Standing seam roofs can help to reduce energy costs by reflecting sunlight and reducing heat absorption, which can lower cooling costs in the summer. Aesthetic appeal. Standing seam roofs have a sleek, modern look that can enhance the appearance of a building. They are available in a wide range of colors, finishes, and textures, making them a popular choice for both residential and commercial properties. Environmental benefits. Many standing seam roofs are made from recycled materials, making them an eco-friendly option for property owners who are concerned about their environmental impact. Additionally, standing seam roofs are fully recyclable at the end of their lifespan, further reducing their environmental footprint. So how expensive are standing seam roofing solutions? The cost of a standing seam metal roof can vary widely depending on several factors, including the size of the roof, the type of the material used, the complexity of the roof's design, and the location of the property. On average, the cost of a standing seam metal roof can range from $8 to $14 per square foot installed. This translates to a cost of $16,000 to $28,000 for a 2,000 square foot roof. However, more complex designs or premium materials like copper and zinc can cost increasingly more. It's important to note that while standing seam metal roofs may have a higher upfront cost than traditional asphalt shingle roofs, they often have a longer lifespan and require less maintenance, making them a cost-effective option over the long term. If you are considering a standing seam metal roofing solution for your commercial property, or you need repairs and maintenance for an existing standing seam roof, reach out to Tech Renovations for a free consultation and estimate. Our team of highly skilled roofing technicians are standing seam certified, bonded, and insured. Tech Renovations is a local, family-owned company that has served Kansas and Missouri business owners for over 20 years. Our attention to detail and passion for perfection is what sets us apart and makes us the superheroes of our industry. We are a Better Business Bureau A+ rated company. We have a 5-star Google rating. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more about all of our commercial roofing solutions, to view our work and request a free commercial roofing consultation and estimate. Tech Renovations. We take great pride in providing every customer with our white glove treatment. We look forward to providing you with the very best commercial roofing products, services, and satisfaction.